Have you ever found yourself gazing at beautiful homes, imagining what it would be like to own one, but then quickly dismissing the thought because you don't have a mountain of cash lying around? Maybe you've scrolled through listings online or walked through neighborhoods thinking, that could never be me. But what if I told you that owning a piece of real estate, or at least profiting from it, doesn't always require a huge bank balance or a winning lottery ticket? Believe it or not, it's possible. And there are thousands of people out there right now, from all walks of life, who are making it happen. They're not all trust fund babies or high-powered investors. Many started with little more than determination and a willingness to learn. You don't need a massive bank account, a rich uncle, or even perfect credit. What you really need is a fresh perspective and a willingness to think outside the box. The world of real estate is full of creative strategies that can help you get your foot in the door, even if your pockets feel a little light right now. The secret ingredients? Clever thinking, a bit of hustle, and the right knowledge. If you're willing to put in the effort to learn and take action, you can unlock doors you never thought possible. Real estate isn't just about money, it's about strategy, resourcefulness, and sometimes a little bit of courage to try something new. In this guide, we'll break down some of the most accessible ways to get started, like wholesaling, where you connect buyers and sellers and earn a fee, bird dogging, where you scout out deals for investors, and property management, where you help others care for their investments and get paid for it. These methods don't require you to buy a house outright, but they do open the door to earning real money in real estate. Now let's be clear. These aren't magic tricks or get-rich-quick schemes. They take real effort, patience, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. But if you're ready to roll up your sleeves, the opportunities are out there, waiting for someone just like you to grab them. By the end of this journey, you'll see that real estate isn't just a playground for millionaires or people with deep pockets. It's a field where smart, determined people can carve out their own path to success, no matter where they're starting from. So, if you're ready to challenge the old way of thinking and discover how everyday people are building wealth through property, you're in the right place. This is your chance to learn, grow, and maybe even surprise yourself with what you can achieve. The dream of earning from property is much closer than you think. It's not just a fantasy, it can be your reality, starting today. So are you ready to take the first step on this grand adventure? Let's dive in and discover how you can start your journey to real estate riches, without the cash. Let's dive into the world of real estate wholesaling, a unique and exciting way to break into the property market without needing a fortune or years of experience. If you've ever wondered how people get started in real estate with little to no money, wholesaling is often the answer. It's a strategy that's open to almost anyone willing to learn, hustle, and connect the dots between people and opportunities. Wholesaling is a clever method to enter real estate, especially if you're resourceful and eager to learn. It's all about using your creativity and people skills to spot deals others might miss. You don't need a real estate license to get started, but you do need to understand how to find value where others see problems. Think of yourself as a matchmaker, connecting motivated sellers who need to sell quickly with investors looking for their next project. Your job is to bring these two parties together, making the process smooth and beneficial for everyone involved. You're the bridge that helps both sides achieve their goals. The best part? You don't need to own the house, take out a big bank loan, or even have a lot of cash on hand. Wholesaling is all about controlling the deal, not the property itself. This means you can get started even if your savings account is looking a little empty. Your main role is to hunt for properties being sold below market value. These are often called distressed properties, homes that need repairs, have been sitting vacant, or belong to owners who need to sell fast for personal or financial reasons. Spotting these opportunities is a skill you'll develop with practice and persistence. Many of these sellers are facing tough situations. Maybe they're behind on payments, relocating for a job, or dealing with an inherited property they don't want. What they need most is a quick, hassle-free sale, not necessarily the highest price. That's where you come in, offering a solution when they need it most. Once you find a property and agree on a price with the seller, you get the property under contract. This contract gives you the right to purchase the property, but instead of buying it yourself, you find an investor who wants to take on the project. You assign the contract to them, and they take over from there. The difference between the price you negotiated with the seller and the price the investor is willing to pay is your profit. This is called an assignment fee, and it's how wholesalers make money. Sometimes this fee can be a few $1,000s or much more, depending on the deal. In the end, you're solving problems for both sellers and investors. The seller gets a fast, stress-free sale. The investor gets a property with potential for profit. And you, the wholesaler, earn a fee for making it all happen. It's truly a win-win-win situation, where everyone walks away happy. As a wholesaler, you can earn a handsome fee for your efforts, sometimes in just a few weeks. The more deals you do, the more your reputation grows, and the easier it becomes to find both sellers and investors eager to work with you. Remember, you didn't have to fix a leaky tap, paint a wall, or swing a hammer. You didn't need to manage contractors or worry about renovation budgets. Your value comes from your ability to spot opportunities and bring people together. Wholesaling is about using your skills to find hidden gems in the market and connecting the right people at the right time. It's a business built on relationships, negotiation, and creative problem solving. The more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting deals and building your network. For many, wholesaling is the perfect way to start in real estate, especially if you don't have much money to invest. It's a low-risk, high-reward strategy that can open doors to bigger opportunities down the road, like flipping houses or building a rental portfolio. So are you ready to become a problem solver and make your mark in real estate? With determination, a willingness to learn, and a knack for connecting people, you can make wholesaling your first big step toward financial freedom. Let's make it happen. Wholesaling real estate might sound complicated, but when you break it down, it's actually a straightforward process that anyone can learn. Let's walk through each step together so you can see exactly how it works from start to finish. The first step is to find motivated sellers. These are homeowners who need to sell their property quickly, often due to life changes like job relocation, financial difficulties, or inherited homes they don't want to keep. These sellers are usually more open to creative solutions and quick sales. You can spot potential deals by looking for signs like "For sale by owner," properties that look neglected or vacant, or homes with overgrown lawns and piled up mail. These visual clues often mean the owner is ready to make a deal. Once you've identified a possible seller, reach out and have a genuine conversation. Ask about their situation, listen to their needs, and build trust. Understanding why they want to sell helps you create a win-win solution. Next, you'll need to figure out the property's after repair value, or ARV. This is what the home could sell for after it's fixed up. Walk through the property, estimate repair costs, and compare similar homes in the area to get an accurate number. This step is crucial for making a smart offer. With your numbers in hand, make a fair cash offer to the seller. Your offer should be lower than the market price, since you're factoring in repairs and your profit margin. Be transparent about your process. Sellers appreciate honesty and clarity. If the seller accepts your offer, it's time to sign a purchase agreement. Make sure the contract includes a special clause that allows you to assign the contract to someone else. This is what makes wholesaling possible. You're not actually buying the house yourself. Remember, your goal isn't to own the property. Instead, you're selling your right to buy the house, the contract itself, to another buyer, usually an investor who wants to fix and flip or rent the property. Now find a cash buyer. This could be a local real estate investor, a landlord, or someone looking for a good deal. Build a list of investors by networking at real estate meetups, joining online groups, or reaching out to people who have bought similar properties before. Present your deal to these buyers, highlighting the property's potential, the estimated repair costs, and the profit they could make. The more clearly you show the value, the faster you'll find a buyer. When a buyer is interested, you assign the contract to them for a fee, often several £1,000s. This fee is your profit for finding and negotiating the deal. At closing, the buyer pays you your assignment fee, and the seller gets their money. You never have to own or fix the property yourself. It's a fast, low-risk way to earn money in real estate. Wholesaling is a smart strategy for beginners and experienced investors alike. It teaches you how to find deals, negotiate, and build valuable relationships, all without needing a lot of cash or credit. So, are you ready to take your first step into the world of real estate wholesaling? With this simple guide, you're well on your way. Let's get started. Let's explore bird dogging, a simple method to find property deals. As a bird dog, you find potential deals for investors. Your job is to spot properties that look like good investments. Look for signs of neglect, like overgrown grass or boarded windows. You're not dealing with contracts, you're finding leads. Pass the information to an investor and earn a finder's fee. It's a risk-free way to enter real estate. Use your observation skills to connect investors with opportunities. Ready to sniff out deals? Let's go treasure hunting. How does bird dogging work in practice? Let's find out. First, find a real estate investor to work with. Build a good relationship and agree on a finder's fee. Your mission is to hunt for distressed properties. Drive or walk through neighborhoods looking for signs of neglect. Make a list of potential properties and gather basic information. Pass the lead to your investor, who will handle the rest. If they close the deal, you earn your fee. It's a simple, effective way to earn in real estate. Ready to be a property detective? Let's start the hunt. Find, pass, earn, a proper team effort. Let's make it happen. Explore property management, a way to earn without owning. Help landlords manage rental properties, handling tasks like finding tenants and collecting rent. You earn a fee, usually a percentage of the monthly rent. Your duties include marketing, screening tenants, and coordinating repairs. Property management provides steady, recurring income. Start small, manage one property, and build your reputation. It's a service always in demand. Ready to be a reliable property manager? Let's build a business. Manage, earn, grow. A fantastic way to be in real estate for the long haul. Let's get started. Being a great property manager is about balance. Keep landlords and tenants happy for success. Protect the landlord's investment and ensure profitability. Communicate regularly and handle repairs efficiently. Keep tenants happy by being responsive and fair. Manage relationships for a smooth experience. Ready to be a top-notch manager? Every adventure has risks. Let's navigate them wisely. In wholesaling, the risk is not finding a cash buyer. Build your buyer list first and have an escape clause in contracts. For bird dogging, ensure a clear agreement for your fee. In property management, handle tenant issues and repairs thoroughly. Use strong screening processes and reliable contractors. Good systems are your best defense. Be prepared and confident, ready to tackle challenges. Let's navigate the path, avoid risks, succeed. Let's make it happen. Inspired? Brilliant. Start your real estate adventure with focus. Choose one method and dive deep. Education is your best friend. Learn from books, podcasts, and meetups. Build your network and take action. Start small, break goals into steps, and be patient. Every expert was once a beginner. Keep learning, networking, and taking action. Create a new income stream without a pile of cash. The door to real estate is open. Take that first step. A grand adventure awaits. Ready to begin? Let's go. Start, learn, succeed. Let's make it happen.